The reason why developers or private individuals would want to invest in bike-keep infrastructure, a lot of the times you'd think, oh, why isn't the city providing this? And yes, they're slowly deploying it, but a lot of the people that live, work, and shop at your businesses are going to want to come there now. They don't want to wait for bicycle infrastructure installed by the city. So if you were to provide these, if you purchase these and deploy these in front of your stores, there's a likelihood that you're going to be attracting bicycles to your grocery store over the other guy's grocery store. If you look at your parking lot, how much of your land is dedicated to just parking, right? What if you could remove some of those parking spots, deploy bike-keep infrastructure, and now provide a neat amenity or a new structure in place of that? For instance, LEED certification requires that your carbon footprint is reduced with each new level you achieve. Bike-keep infrastructure can help you with that. You can reduce the amount of cars that are driving to your property. And finally, if you're trying to attract tenants, for example, having bike parking is a great amenity, just like having an on-site gym is. It's all part of the package. It's better to be ahead of this than behind it. As we return to work, home, play, the gym, we're not going to be using the same means of getting there. Bicycles are a thing that's going to stay, it's going to grow, it'll be part of our daily routine. Your property will benefit from having infrastructure that's in place as this trend continues. Reach out, we'd love to partner with you, learn about what you're trying to do, and come up with an awesome solution.